South Sudan, an ancient land, newly born, holds within its borders a secret of astonishing beauty and diversity. This young nation, emerging from the shadows of conflict, is now a beacon of hope and a sanctuary for countless species of birds. This is a land of vast plains, dense forests, and sprawling wetlands. Each of these landscapes offers a unique habitat, teeming with life and brimming with the promise of discovery for those who venture into its heart. Each unique habitat pulsates with the songs and vibrant colors of a spectacular array of bird life. From the smallest songbirds to the majestic raptors, the diversity here is nothing short of extraordinary. From the emerald green depths of the rainforest to the sun-drenched savanna, the air hums with the constant movement of wings. The rainforest, with its dense foliage, shelters countless species, while the open savanna provides a stage for grand aerial displays. Skies become a canvas for breathtaking aerial displays. Flocks of birds perform intricate maneuvers, their synchronized movements a testament to the wonders of nature. Welcome to South Sudan, a paradise for bird lovers, and a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Here, birdwatchers from around the globe gather to witness the spectacle of avian life in its purest form. The white-eared bustard stalks through the grasslands, its long legs carrying it effortlessly across the plains. This bird, with its striking plumage, is a symbol of the untamed beauty of South Sudan. High above, a martial eagle circles, its keen eyesight scanning the ground for prey. This powerful raptor, with its impressive wingspan, commands the skies with an air of regal authority. The African fish eagle's piercing call echoes across the riverbanks, a sound as synonymous with Africa as the setting sun. Its presence is a reminder of the rich biodiversity that thrives in South Sudan's waterways. South Sudan's bird life is a symphony of sights and sounds, a vibrant tapestry woven into the very fabric of this young nation. Each bird, each call, each flight adds a unique thread to this living masterpiece, making South Sudan a true haven for nature's winged wonders. The Sud wetlands are a spectacle unlike any other. Spanning over 30,000 square kilometers, this vast expanse of swamps and marshes is one of the largest wetlands in the world. It is a place where water, land, and sky converge in a harmonious dance of life. Imagine a maze of waterways, islands of papyrus reeds, and a sky filled with a dazzling array of birds. The Sud is a labyrinth of channels and lagoons, where the papyrus reeds stand tall, swaying gently in the breeze, creating a serene and almost mystical atmosphere. This is the Sud, a vital breeding ground and a crucial stopover point for migratory species. Birds from all over the world find refuge here, making it a bustling hub of avian activity. During migration seasons, the wetlands come alive with the arrival of countless birds, each adding to the rich tapestry of life. The air resounds with a cacophony of calls. The symphony of bird songs creates an ever-present soundtrack, a testament to the diversity and abundance of life that thrives in this unique ecosystem. Thousands upon thousands of birds gather here, from the smallest warblers to the majestic pelicans. The Sud is a sanctuary for a myriad of species, each playing a crucial role in the ecological balance of the wetlands. It is a testament to the power of nature and the importance of this unique ecosystem. The Sud's intricate web of life is a delicate balance where every species, no matter how small, contributes to the overall health and vitality of the wetlands. The crowned crane, with its golden plumage and distinctive crown, struts through the shallows. His regal appearance is matched by its graceful movements as it navigates the wetlands with an air of majesty. It moves with an elegance that belies its opportunistic nature, feeding on insects, frogs, and even small reptiles. The crowned crane's diet is as varied as its habitat, showcasing its adaptability and resourcefulness. Nearby, a flock of African open-bill storks work their way through the water, their specialized bills acting like forceps to extract snails from their shells. These storks are a marvel of evolution, perfectly designed to thrive in their wetland environment. They are perfectly adapted to their environment. Their unique feeding technique is a prime example of how species evolve to exploit the resources available to them, ensuring their survival in the ever-changing landscape of the Sud. The Sud is their world, and they are an integral part of its delicate balance. Each bird, from the smallest finch to the largest stork, plays a role in maintaining the health and stability of this vibrant ecosystem. The shoebill, with its prehistoric appearance and enigmatic gaze, stands motionless on a floating island of vegetation. Its presence is both awe-inspiring and slightly eerie, a reminder of the ancient lineage of birds that have roamed these wetlands for millennia. It is a patient hunter, waiting for the perfect moment to ambush its prey. The shoebill's hunting strategy is a masterclass in patience and precision, as it remains perfectly still, blending seamlessly into its surroundings until the opportune moment strikes. The African jacana, nicknamed the Jesus bird for its ability to walk on water, darts between lily pads. Its remarkable ability to seemingly defy gravity is due to its long toes, which distribute its weight and allow it to traverse the floating vegetation with ease. Its long toes distribute its weight, allowing it to navigate this floating world with ease. The African jacana's unique adaptation is a perfect example of how life in the Sud has evolved to meet the challenges of this dynamic environment. These are just a few of the avian wonders that call the Sud home. The wetlands are a living, breathing testament to the resilience and beauty of nature, a sanctuary where life flourishes in all its forms. The Sud is not just a wetland, it is a jewel of biodiversity, a precious haven for the countless species that depend on its waters for survival. While the larger birds of South Sudan command our attention with their impressive size and majestic presence, it's the smaller species that truly enchant with their vibrancy and diversity. These tiny avian wonders, often overlooked, are the hidden gems of the region, each one a testament to the rich tapestry of life that thrives here. Flitting amongst the branches or darting through the grasses, these birds bring a splash of color and a burst of song to every corner of this fascinating land. Their lively movements and melodious calls create a symphony of nature, a constant reminder of the beauty and vitality that surrounds us. The emerald starling, a jewel-toned vision with its iridescent green feathers, catches the sunlight as it moves. Its shimmering plumage is like a living emerald, reflecting the light in a dazzling display that captivates all who see it. This bird, a common sight throughout South Sudan, brightens even the most ordinary day with its dazzling plumage. Whether perched on a branch or soaring through the sky, the emerald starling is a beacon of beauty in the natural world. Then there's the red-cheeked cordon bleu, a tiny finch with plumage so vibrant it seems almost unreal. Its delicate frame and striking colors make it a favorite among birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. The male, adorned with a bright red patch on its cheek, flits through the undergrowth, a tiny ambassador of joy in the heart of the wilderness. Its presence is a reminder of the intricate beauty that can be found in even the smallest of creatures. The violet-backed starling, with its striking purple back contrasting against its white underparts, is a vision of elegance. Its unique coloration sets it apart, making it one of the most visually stunning birds in the region. This bird, often seen in large flocks, moves with a synchronized beauty, their movements a mesmerizing dance against the backdrop of the African sky. Watching a flock of violet-backed starlings in flight is like witnessing a choreographed performance, each bird in perfect harmony with the others. These smaller birds, though easy to overlook, are a vital part of the ecosystem. Their roles are multifaceted, contributing to the health and balance of their environment in ways that are both subtle and profound. They are pollinators, seed dispersers, and a food source for larger predators, playing a crucial role in the delicate balance of nature. Without these small but mighty creatures, the ecosystem would be incomplete, lacking the intricate connections that sustain life. Their presence ensures the continuation of the natural cycles that support all living things in this vibrant landscape. The vast savannas of South Sudan, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a hunting ground for some of the world's most impressive birds of prey. These avian predators, masters of the skies, play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. If you enjoyed this journey through South Sudan's bird life, make sure to subscribe and follow us for more incredible wildlife adventures.